Welcome to Guaranteed RV. My name is Kirk Blair and I'm going to show you this pre-owned 2008 160 Fun Finder. It actually is a tiny little trailer that has a ton of punch inside. It's got several beds, it has a still little bathroom, it's got a lot of nice amenities. This would be really small, towable by lots of different rigs, mid-size SUVs, small trucks, that sort of thing. We'll go inside and I'll show you. You can sleep a lot of people in there. Out here is going to be your propane tank, your battery location. No slide outs or anything on this, but most of your hookups are out here on the side. Your water fill, your electrical hookups. There is a little storage bay here. It's not gigantic or anything, but you got a little bay. Spare tire on the back. It's actually a clean little trailer. It's only a 16-foot model, really. So let's go ahead and jump inside. Let's go to the other side real quick. Kind of rocking around it, showing you things about it. It's got tinted windows. It does have an awning on it. It does have a manual awning. It's not huge. This thing's only 16, but it does come out as far as any other awning will. Let's go inside and I'll show you around. So right when you come in here, you can tell right in front of you, this would be a couch area. It's kind of a couch. There's extra padding sitting here. You could sleep here, lay down, and above it is a bunk as well. So this actually drops down, it has two little clasps. Drop it down, and you could sleep up here. Or you could just use it for storage, whatever you'd like to do. And those pads would move up here. There's two bunks, entertainment, fridge. Should have a little freezer box in here as well. Little freezer box on the top of the fridge. Furnace. And then you have your front dinette table. Right now it's made into a table. This here's your table. These pads would go across here and make your bed. But it also has another above bunk that's 210 pounds capable. Comes down real easy. So you do have a lot of sleeping in a little tiny area on a trailer like this. Cooking area, cooktop, drawers, cooking, decent counter space, microwave, some storage up above. You also have, if I can do-si-do with you, closet here in the back that's pretty deep, and you get lots of storage right there. And then you have your bathroom. And it's kind of a wet bath of sorts, and what you have is you're going to have a wet bath to allow you to take a shower, be able to sit there, you can still wash up, you do whatever you need to do. This trailer or any other trailer here at Guaranteed RV, my name is Kirk Blair. I'm happy to help you. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Feel free to call or text, and thank you so much. Have a great day.